Man. Oh, getting smacked in the face. Oh, crap. I can't even barely get out of my house. Oh, man. Hey, oh, crap. Keep up down the stairs. There's just trees falling everywhere. Oh, man. We got fallen trees. Oh, crap. Yeah, that's a mess. Yeah, you're covered. I'm sorry. Crap. Look at this mess. They're just a mess. Oh, man. That tree. Look at that tree. Oh, man. Crap. So this is just a shit show. Absolute. There's his razor over there. On the shed. You can't even see it. Yep. We are having a blizzard. Oh, crap. More trees. There's my grills. My other grill. Oh, what the hell? And there's my son's razor. Not a razor. I'm sorry, an ace. Polaris Ace. That's the razor. That's the fire pit. What the crap? Are you trying to pee? What are you doing? Oh my god. She don't know what to do. But there's trees falling everywhere. I just keep hearing them fall. I hope none fall on my house. That would suck. It's cold. I'm sitting inside of my truck. We have lost power. I am freezing to death. Jesus. Yep, that's what's happening. Crap. So this is what we're dealing with out here. And apparently my house is the only blacked out house in the neighborhood. Everybody else has power but me. What the hell? Everybody else, how do they have power? Do they have power? They got power. How does everybody else have power but us?
Who knows?
Over 24 hours without power. Just for half my neighborhood. Not even the whole neighborhood. But trying to assess the damage. I heard 95 is blocked off where I live. 3 people unfortunately died in a car crash. It was pretty bad. So that's not good. So praying for their families and whatnot. Yeah, people got some damage, that's for sure. That big tree back there, it's leaning quite farther than what it used to, and I'm afraid it's gonna crash onto my house. So praying that doesn't happen. So this is the view from inside my house. And that's a big tree. I really hope it stays there, because that would suck. The Polaris is right there.